Welcome back to Easy English with Accenta. Today, we will learn some polite expressions and words to convey your courtesy or gratitude or respect towards any situation or people. The first word we will be learning is the word excuse me. So I'm sure that you will be using the word excuse me in your everyday conversations, but let's see how to use it correctly. So where do we use excuse me? In situation number 1 where you accidentally bump into someone, like you might be going in a hurry and you just go and bump into someone. So you can just say excuse me. And the second situation is you want to interrupt somebody during a conversation politely. So there is a conversation going on between two people and you just want to interrupt them. You can just simply say, excuse me. The third situation where you can say excuse me is when you want to get someone's attention. Like someone is busy doing something and you want to get their attention, you want them to look at you and listen to you. So you can just say, excuse me. So the fourth situation where you can use the word excuse me is when you want to pass through a crowd. So you are actually moving in a crowded place and you want the crowd to just give you some way. So situations like that, you can say excuse me. And the last situation you will say excuse me is when you want to move out from a group. For example, you and your friends are talking in a circle and suddenly you get a phone call and you just want to move out from the group. You can just simply say excuse me and attend the phone call. So the second word is thank you. Thank you. I'm sure this is also a very familiar word to all of you. So what are the situations we can use the word thank you? So thank you can be used when someone gives you a compliment or a gift. So when someone tells you you look very pretty in this dress, so that's a compliment. So you can just reply thank you. Another situation where you can use this word is when someone does something really nice to you and that makes you happy. The third situation where you can say thank you is when someone helps you to complete a task or offers assistance to do the same. For example, your friend just helped you with your homework, so you can just say thank you. The fourth situation where you can say thank you is while appreciating someone's effort and time. For example, you invited your friend to your birthday party and he or she showed up. So you can just say thank you for coming, which is appreciating their time and effort. The last situation you can say thank you is while concluding a conversation or interaction to show your gratitude to the person who has listened to you and showed their support to you. For example, you just wanted to talk to someone, so you just ring up your friend and talk to him or her. So at the end of the conversation, you can just say, thank you for listening to me. Thank you for hearing me out. The next word we are going to learn is please. Please is also a very common word that we use. So the first situation where we use the word please is while making a request. For example, can you please forward this letter to the manager? The next situation where you can use please is while asking someone to do you a favor, like, can you please pick up the kids from the school? Another situation where you can use the word please is while asking for permission. For example, can I please use your mobile phone? The next situation is when you want to express your desire or preference politely. For example, you are in a clothing store and you just want to check out a dress in particular. So you can simply ask, can I check out the blue dress, please? And the last word we are going to learn today is sorry. So we can use sorry in situations when you make a mistake or do something wrong. For example, sorry, I sent you the wrong email. The second situation is when you accidentally cause any harm or inconvenience to someone. For example, sorry, I accidentally stamped your foot. The third situation where you can use sorry is when you cancel plans on someone. For example, you should be meeting someone today, but you can't go. So you can say, I'm sorry, I don't think I can meet you today. And the last situation where you can use sorry is when you want to express sympathy or empathy towards someone's situation. For example, your friend has lost her pet. So you can say, oh, I'm very sorry for you, to let her know that you're feeling empathetic. So now I think you have learned where to use these 4 words or phrases appropriately in different situations. So keep practicing these words. Let's meet in another video.